Hello my friends, it's Amber. Welcome to a new video. So today is going to be all about why I decided to go on a no-buy. I know you guys are thinking, what in the world? Like, this totally came out of left field, and it kind of did, to be honest, but I'm just going to share a little bit of my journey, so we'll just get to it. So I've really been looking at my channel and thinking about what is successful, what do you guys like, and it just seems like, you know, when I'm real and upfront with you and I talk about real life, you guys seem to really understand me. I feel like we connect. You guys get where I'm coming from. So I just always try to keep it as real as possible. Before I continue, if anyone asks, I'm wearing the e.l.f. matte lip color in Hot Commodity, but I have some gloss on it. So yeah. So I have really enjoyed this whole journey and evolution of the anti-haul, and you know, I started doing my Beat the Box challenge, and I really enjoyed kind of going through and finding things that were discounted to show you guys what kind of options are there if you want to get high-end makeup for less. To be honest, I was a little disappointed with my choices from last month. Besides the Too Faced Natural Eyes, I really loved this past month's BoxyCharm. I went to TJ Maxx and really there was like nothing, like not a thing I wanted to spend my money on. And granted, that's one store. So I could have gone to Ross or to Burlington or to Nordstrom Rack or gone online and blah, blah, blah. But the point of it is I'm like, you know what? I feel like I had a good point come across with the Beat the Box challenge, and I hope you guys appreciated. But I'm like, what am I doing? Like, I'm sitting in here in a store looking for discount makeup to buy, and I really liked the video idea, but at the same time, it's like, I don't really need any more makeup. I know that sounds shocking, but I'm like, I don't really need makeup, and I probably could spend this money better somewhere else. And I just started thinking of my travel plans, my kids going back to school, and I just was like, I'm kind of looking at all the palettes I have. After I did my anti-haul, I was like, oh my gosh, these are so many good palettes. And I was like, if I keep getting a palette every month, then when am I ever going to use these palettes? And I was just like, you know what? I think I'm done with my BoxyCharm. I think I'm done buying makeup for a while. And I know that sounds like so crazy, but it just like felt like really refreshing. I just felt like, yeah, I'm going to cancel it. So I canceled my BoxyCharm. I really love all the products I got, and I don't think that I'll never have BoxyCharm again. I think maybe I'll take a break and maybe I'll resubscribe. I don't know how long my no-buy is going to go for, but I feel like at least till the end of the summer, I'm just pretty content with just not buying makeup. I feel like there's so many things that are new and they're overwhelming and they're exciting, and I like to review makeup, but at the same time, I'm like, I'm just one person. I really don't need a lot of things. And it's hard because when you guys ask my opinion on things, or you say, Amber, will you try this thing and tell me? I want to do it, and I want to be able to review all these products, but at the same time, cash money, yo, it costs a lot of money. The same reason why you don't want to buy it, I don't want to buy it either. And that's the thing that's hard, that separates me from other bigger YouTubers, is just the income, cash flow, and the PR that they get allows them to review things, you know what I mean? It's just how it is. And I wish that I had the ability to spend a lot of money every month to buy makeup, but actually I don't. Like, I'm okay not doing it. It just means that I'm not going to be this like your one-stop shop for reviews. That's not what my channel is going to be. I do review products, and if something gets sent to me or there's a new release that I feel like I want to review, you know, I'll do it. But for right now, I think I'm just going to take a break. I'm going to focus on what I have, focus on shopping my stash. You know, maybe go back to doing some more makeup drawers, like weekly makeup drawers or bi-weekly, whatever. You know, focus on my Project Pan. I feel like there's so many other little things that I can dabble in that are still beauty, makeup, fashion related, things that I love to talk about. And I think that maybe you could take a little break from shopping makeup. Maybe you're like, you know what? I'm glad because I'm getting overwhelmed. Maybe you're feeling like there's so much makeup being pushed in your face that you want. We're all having a little bit of FOMO, and it's like, you know what? Let's just take a step back. I know firsthand how hard it is. Can I tell you what my makeup collection was before I started YouTube? It was a single train case where I had my makeup palettes, I had my brushes, I had a few MAC singles, I had a foundation, a primer, a powder, maybe a couple of eyeliners, a couple of mascaras, and a handful of lip products. And now, I have this. Drawers of makeup, more drawers of makeup, more drawers of makeup. There's a lot of makeup here. Maybe I'll do a makeup collection. Do you guys want to see that? Do you want to see a makeup collection? See how I store all of this? There's a lot here, and I want to play with it. I love it. I don't hate makeup. I'm not against buying makeup. I just want to play with what I've got for right now. I'm just kind of like sit and be like, you know what? I'm good. I'm good where I'm at. I'm going to just hit the pause button and just kind of enjoy where I'm at. So you won't be seeing the Beat the Box. You won't be seeing probably any new release reviews. So if there's something you ask me to review, probably not going to review it. You know, I don't get sent a lot of PR. Once in a while, I might get sent something, and if I do, great, I'll be happy to review it. If there's something that I already own that you guys want a more in-depth review on, sure, I'll give you my thoughts and opinions. But for right now, I think this is where we're going to leave it. I know some people will be like, oh, I'm on a no-buy, and then like 2 days later, they're like, I just went to spend $100. Like, but that's really not me. I really feel like this is something I can stick to. I actually did a no-buy for almost a year, which was, I think, my Makeout 2013 or 2014. That's when I actually started my anti-hauls, was because I was doing this Makeout where I was like not buying anything, and I was anti-hauling because I didn't want to haul. That's how that whole idea got born, and so now you know. I actually have a whole video on how my anti-hauls got started and the purpose of them and all that if you're ever interested. It's a good little watch, I guess. So that's where I'm leaving it. I hope you guys still enjoy my channel. I hope you won't be like, oh no, Amber, now you don't have anything exciting to watch, because hopefully you'll just enjoy coming and getting ready with me. So what to expect, I've got another video that will be coming up after this one, which is going to be some high-end makeup that I'm not going to repurchase. And it's not just because I'm on a no-buy, it's for different reasons. So stay tuned if you guys are interested in seeing more on that. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!